Don't tell anyone else. If you want a problem, go shout it out. It's not a problem, just keep it to yourself. And live with it. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Just one look and I can hear all of it. One more look and I forget everything. Sing along, Mamma Mia, here I go again.
If you would like to share your talent, your passion, your love for an instrument or dancing or singing, we welcome this in any of our assemblies.